my Winjas. This is Maya, and today, Grasshopper, you are ready to flow. I'm going to show you 3 different movements, but we're going to put them together in a way that is flowy, that will engage so many different body parts, that will have your quads shaking balls. That's going to make your abs burn. So this is what you're going to learn today. Crab to beast to 2 side kick throughs. Woo! Stay with me. I'm going to slow it down. I'm going to teach you how to put it together, and I'm going to teach you how to make really cool sound effects to go along with it, because it really does help you do it all together. Please make sure to subscribe, press the bell, and I'm here every Tuesday and Friday for flowy Winja content. So as always, before doing any type of animal flow, calisthenics, or grounds-based work where you're on your hands a lot, make sure you mobilize your wrists, activate your core, and do those activations in beast and crab that I've shown you. All of these movements that I'm teaching you today have been in previous tutorials. So check out the entire playlist on animal flow, okay? We're doing crab, we're doing beast, we're doing underswitch, and then we're going into side kick throughs. They've all been broken down before. Today, we're putting them all together in a flowy vortex. All right, let's flow. Set crab. All right, from here, you're gonna do an underswitch, meaning you're gonna transition into beast. So we're gonna do a left leg underswitch. Lift the left leg, lift the right hand, bring your body underneath you, boom. Now you're in beast. Once you hit beast, do a left leg side kick through. Sound effects, man, they help. From here, return to beast and then do a right leg side kick through. And then set crab, boom. So you're back into crab. And then, let me turn up. And then you can repeat the sequence. But that's legitly all we're doing. So let's slow it down again. And you're not gonna end up the way you were. See, as you saw, I ended up with my back to you, and that's just the nature of the dynamicisms of animal flow. Like, you're gonna take up space, you're gonna move, you're gonna become so aware of your body, of your ability to control yourself and move through space. So let's do that again. Set crab. This time, I'm gonna do the opposite side. Set crab. Right leg under switch. Left leg side kick through. Right leg side kick through. Set crab. And again. Left leg under switch. Right leg side kick through. Left leg side kick through. Set crab. Right leg under switch. Left leg side kick through. Right leg side kick through. And set crab. So, it looks easy, it looks chill, and I look smooth. Yo, it's only taken many, many years to get here. So how do you get here? You must learn the individual pieces, okay? I've done many tutorials on how to set your beast, how to set your crab. Learn those, nail them, crush it, really get engaged and activated, train your core, boom, core videos, so many for you, and then put it all together. So, set crab, left leg under switch, boom, left leg, go underneath the body, boom, set beast. Throw in 2 side kick throughs, throw in 2 side kick throughs, and then set crab, and repeat. Set crab. And then you can keep going until you lose your form and set crab. So all I'm doing is crab, beast, 2 kicks, and then back to crab. and then boom, 2 kicks, and then back to crab. Notice how I maintain my integrity in my static forms, right? So my beast, boom, is a beast. My crab is a crab. Oh. And I'm fully engaged. My ribs are zipped up as I'm transitioning from side to side. If you're having a hard time putting it all together, just focus on one piece at a time, such as that transition period, right? So the underswitch. You could just focus on the underswitch. Oh, yo, is this cardio? So you can just focus on underswitching to one side. Get your mind right, and then try again on the other side. Underswitch to the other side. And then get your mind right and do it again. And then eventually, when you're comfortable with the transition, and set crab. Woo! Oh. Woo! Seriously, I love animal flow because you can be so creative. And there's millions and billions of combinations, and all you have to do is learn the basics. And you're gonna be increasing your muscular endurance, core strength. Every single freaking muscle to mind connection needs to be on point in order to hit those movements and to do it with control. So that's all for today. Give that a try. Let me know how you do. I'm here every Tuesday, every Friday. I love hearing from you guys. Please share this video, share the good vibes, the love. I'm on Facebook and Instagram. Check me out there. I'll see you guys next time. More